Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Xbox Remote Play to your PC. And this is very easy to do. You can just do this through any web browser, so you don't even need to do it on your PC. It could be a tablet, your refrigerator, a calculator, I don't know. But just going over to your Xbox and we can set this up. So here's my Xbox Series X. You can do this on your Xbox One as well. It works. We can go to settings, then go to network and just take a look. Make sure you're on the same network as your Xbox. So scump on here and scump on my computer, it'll automatically find it for me. Then we can go down to devices and connections and go to remote features. Type in your PIN if you got one. And if you already have it enabled, disable this and then re-enable it. And it says testing your setup. Now, if you don't disable it and re-enable it, sometimes it doesn't recognize that you haven't enabled and it won't detect your Xbox ever. So you have to be connected to the same network and disable it, re-enable it, and we should be able to find it on here now. It should just show up if you refresh the page. Then we can go to next, and it says you should get the Xbox app, which is fine. Okay, we can close that down. I'm not doing it on the app though. So now that we have this enabled, we can go over to power options, and we can just do this sleep mode, and we can turn on our Xbox through sleep mode, I think, and we can remote play even if it's not turned on. But go to your PC now, make sure your Xbox is turned on, and you are signed in. And we can go to add console right here too if it's not showing up. Launch on console, and it should just detect it now. You should have an option popping up on your Xbox. Just go to enabled, and once you enable it, your Xbox should load on here. I think we just have to reload the page. And if you don't see these on here, just reload it and it should show up now. So we can choose if I want to do it on my Xbox One or Xbox. Let's just go to my Xbox in my living room. And we'll get the screen. And you might want to connect a controller. See if it works. So I have my Xbox controller connected to my Xbox. And it still works. And the latency is actually pretty good. I think I could probably play a game. So I don't know if I want to open up one of these games, Battlefield. I can open this up and start playing. And I don't think the latency is all that bad if you have a good connection. So let's just update RedSec. So go ahead and just try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.